Okay, one of the hardest parts about road tripping with kids is packing and organizing the minivan so that everything's where you need it to be and the road trip goes smoothly. So today I'm going to walk you through how exactly we organize and pack up our minivan as a mom of 4 who goes on tons and tons of road trips with her kids. I'm going to show you my exact process. Let's go. Hey, what's up? It's Emily from A Mom Explores. Thanks again for watching my channel. I have so much wisdom to share with you about road tripping because we do it all the time with our 4 kids. And today I want to walk you through that step by step to make your road trip a little bit easier. To me, the first step is to clean out and organize your van. So we cleaned ours out this morning and vacuumed it up. So slowly but surely we've been adding things to the van to get ready for our trip. So I'm going to walk you through how we organize the back seat for the kids first. Okay, welcome to the back seat. We have my 2 oldest sit back here, my 6-year-old and my 8-year-old. They have their little drawstring bags on hooks hanging in the back, and then they also have backseat organizers, which has been a game changer. They put their tablets in here. They can put their headphones or books in these bigger cases. They keep crayons and colored pencils, their road trip travel journals, just anything you can think of goes back here, and it helps them stay organized and it helps keep our floors clean again. Then in the back seat, we have these flat bins that this is where they keep their road trip activities, and I'll link a video where I talk about all of the road trip activities for kids that we bring. And then they also each have a paper holder with a clipboard. Okay, this is the car seat for our toddler. Our youngest is 1-year-old, and we'll put some of her toys here for when she's in the car. And then we also keep one of these Go Gear tablet holders connected to the seat in front of her for when she won't stop crying and we need a little bit of Cocomelon. We'll slide one of the tablets in there to get some peace and quiet for a little bit. This is our 4-year-old's seat. We keep this paper case next to him. It's got some of his road trip activities, and then on the inside, tracing, he can practice all kinds of stuff like that, and then he can take the papers out and put them on the clipboard. Then in front of his seat, we have an organizer so he can put his tablet in here. And then anything else like crayons, markers, sunglasses, snacks, he can add in the other little pockets. And then we keep his backpack with all of his road trip activities, toys, coloring pages, activity books in here. A while ago, I invested in these hooks. I will link them below. They're from Amazon and they're really cheap, but you just hang them on the back of the headrest and you can hang backpacks from bags, sweatshirts, anything that you can think of from them. I love them because it helps keep our floors clean and clear. So we have more space because I always need to walk in the back and help the kids with something, help buckle them or whatever. So it's nice to have some clear space on the floor. Another tip is to always keep your go bag within easy reach. So what I pack in my go bag is sunscreen, masks, an extra set of diapers and wipes, hats for the little ones, and then we keep our bag of sunglasses in here. It's one of those reusable silicone bags that could be used for food, but I like it for sunglasses because it helps protect them. Keeps them all in one place because the kids are always losing them, and this way they don't get crushed. And then I always keep some doggy bags in here in case we have a blowout or dirty diaper situation in public. So that's our go bag, and that always stays near the front seat. So once everyone and everything is loaded up in the van, we use the space underneath the baby and toddler car seats for diapers and wipes. And then we also have a bag of electronics that goes under there and extra pillows and blankets. Finally, the trunk is for larger items like our suitcases, the food bin, the stroller, and the pack and play. Then everyone's all settled in and we're ready for a fun road trip as a family with a little bit of space left over. And I can hopefully relax with a coffee for a few minutes before everyone starts asking me for snacks. Hopefully found some helpful tips in this video, I will link all of my other road trip advice videos below, so you can be sure to check those out. And go ahead and hit subscribe if you want more family travel road trip content.